Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Deep Tech e-learning program. In today's session, we will discuss question answer of chapter number 6, Introduction to Coding and AI. And these questions are available on page number 77. First question is name three common programming languages. So the possible answer is the three common programming languages are Python, Java and Scratch. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ हाउ डज मशीन लर्निंग हेल्प कंप्यूटर लर्न फ्रॉम द डेटा कि मशीन लर्निंग कंप्यूटर के लिए किस तरह से हेल्पफुल है कि वो डेटा से अपने इन्वायरमेंट से लर्निंग करे. सो द पॉसिबल आंसर इज़ मशीन लर्निंग हेल्प कंप्यूटर बाय स्टडिंग डेटा एंड फाइंडिंग पैटर्न्स. प्रीवियस डेटा से और पैटर्न से कंप्यूटर जो लर्न करता है उसी की बेसिस पे प्रिडिक्शंस भी होती हैं, उसी की बेसिस पे डिसीजंस भी फॉलो किए जाते हैं. सो द कंप्यूटर यूज दिस पैटर्न टू मेक डिसीजन एंड predictions without being told every step. Next question is how do AI system provide users with recommendation? Recommendation system किस तरह से artificial intelligence को यूज़ करते हुए यूज़र को facility provide करता है. Recommendation system means, for example, you are searching something on internet, you are searching some videos, so these type of videos are repeatedly show on your timeline, show in your TikTok account or Instagram account or any relevant social media account. So AI किस तरह helpful है? So the possible answer is AI system gives recommendation by looking at what users like, search or use before. Then they suggest similar items of the result. For example, YouTube suggests videos based on what you watch. Next question is name the feature that make Google Map interactive. कि Google Map के कुछ features लिखें. As you know that Google Map is basically a web service that provide a detailed information about the geographical region and the site worldwide, and additionally it provide the road map view, it offer the aerial and satellite view of many location, and it provide the direction. So there are many interactive features. Some are listed below that Google Map is interactive because of its feature like zooming, searching places, live traffic, direction and street view. Next question is write an example using event block in Sprite Lab. कि event को हम कैसे use करते हैं Sprite Lab में. So we noted down the example here. When the sprite is clicked, जब हम किसी sprite पे click करते हैं, it says hello. This shows an event happening when the user click the sprite. Question is create a flowchart to illustrate the process of training a machine learning model. Machine learning model को train करने की क्या steps होते हैं, तो उसे हम डायग्राम की फॉर्म में, फ्लो चार्ट की फॉर्म में ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन सी द स्टेप्स in a box that first of all when we start a flow chart, then we start it. After that we collect the relevant data that we are designing the machine, then we train that model and test that model, and after testing if we find there is something bugging in it, some mistake in it, so we improve the model, and after improvement the model is completed. So we listed down these steps in a form of flowchart. Flowchart is basically a pictorial representation of data. So the steps that we are mentioned here is also represent in the form of flowchart. That first of all we start the program, collect the data, train the model, test the model, and then improve the model. And program is completed now. This topic is completed here. If you have any question, then please note down in the comment box. Inshallah I will reply you soon. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and subscribe my channel. We will meet you soon in a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.